Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ngayon ng opinion reaction itong post ng Batas PH tungkol ito sa isang applicant ng ombudsman na sa tingin ko isa siya sa pinakamalakas na kandidato na maging ombudsman natin. Ito. Batas PH, get to know the aspiring ombudsman. A red-blooded Bedan and incumbent Supreme Court Associate Justice Samuel Gerland wants to take a sudden swift in his career by applying as ombudsman. Justice Gerland is among the 17 aspirants set to face the Judicial and Bar Council for a panel interview for the position to be vacated by Ombudsman Samuel Martires upon his retirement on July 27, 2025. Okay. Ang alam ko, ang date ng mga interviews is July 30 and 31 at saka August 1 and 4. So 4 days. Interviewin ng Judicial and Bar Council itong 17 applicants. Daming aplikante, no? Kasi napaka-importante ang role ng ombudsman sa ating society. Ito, pinaka-latest, ano? Yung independence talaga ng ombudsman sa pamamahala ni Ombudsman Martires. Indicted yung former DepEd Secretary panahon ni PRRD, si Leonora Briones, plus other officials ng DepEd, DBM ba yung iba, dahil sa overpriced laptops. So, yung mga nagsasabi na dahil inappoint ni PRRD si Ombudsman Martires, parang pumapabor sa Duterte. Hindi, kasi ito, DepEd Secretary ni PRRD. Sinampahan ng kaso, inindik. Umakyat na sa Sandigan Bayan ang kaso. Ganyan ang kailangan nating ombudsman. Yung wala siyang pinagkautangan ng loob. So, tingnan natin ang detalye sa buhay, work experience ni Justice Samuel Gerland at i-compare natin kay Secretary Boyeng Rimulya. Okay. Personal background, full name, Associate Justice Samuel Gerland. He was appointed by ex-President Duterte as Associate Justice of the Supreme Court in 2020. So, naka 5 years na siya. In an interview in 2017, he said, Federalism is unnecessary, but clarified that the Philippines is not yet ready for a shift into the system of government, into parliamentary system. Hindi pa ready. Okay. Educational background, he is a red-blooded Bedan who obtained his Bachelor of Laws degree from San Beda College in 1983. Work experience. Okay. He started his professional career as a private practitioner, serving as lead counsel, executive director of various companies and associations. Then, he worked as presiding judge of Municipal Trial Court of Bangar, La Union from 1983 to 2001. 1993 to 2001. Matagal-tagal siyang judge sa Municipal Trial Court ng Bangar. He was then promoted as presiding judge of San Fernando City RTC Branch 26 from 2001 to 2004. He also served as presiding judge of the Regional Trial Court of Quezon City Branch 82 from 2004 to 2009. He was appointed as Associate Justice of the Court of Appeals from 2009 to 2020. So, makikita mo, no? Ang kanyang buong trabaho is nasa law profession, una as private, and then nag-serve na siya sa ating mga courts. Starting from pinaka-lowest municipal, regional, trial court, court of appeals, then Supreme Court. Well, to me, iyan ang kailangan natin. Minsan hindi siya nag-serve sa executive department. So, hindi mo siya masasabi na meron siyang amo pagdating sa politika. Ganito ang kailangan natin na ombudsman. So, i-compare natin kay Secretary Boying Rimulya. So, ano siya congressman. I don't know kung nag-governor ba. So, more on legislative and executive si Secretary Boying. At ang matindi nito ay yung pag-serve niya, mag 3 years, sobra 3 years na siya as alter ego of the sitting president. So, paano yan? May pinagsamahan Siya ang ma-appoint na ombudsman. Tapos, mayroong kaso laban sa presidente after his term. After 2028, ano kaya mangyari? Anyway, tanong lang naman. Wala tayong ini-insinuate na kung ano-ano dyan. Ano kaya mangyari? Kasi nga, sino ba yung ombudsman na pinatalsik nila? Merceditas Gutierrez. Dahil bataan daw ni GMA. Kaya napilitan, in-impeach, nag-resign. Kasi identified siya masyado kay GMA. So, ang magandang ombudsman, sana, ay hindi siya identified sa kahit kaninong politiko. At to me, pinaka-the best ito si Justice Samuel Gerlan or other candidates. Dalawang retired na Supreme Court Justices pa, nakalimutan ko ang pangalan, plus yung presiding judge ng Sandigan Bayan. Yan ang mga malalakas. So, I don't know kung sino ang i-recommend ng Judicial Bar and Council. So, good luck na lang sa mga applicants, lalo na kay Secretary Boying Rimulya.